The best periodic table apps for Android are interactive tools that provide comprehensive information about the elements. These applications often include detailed descriptions of each element, including atomic numbers, symbols, atomic weights, and properties. Many also feature advanced search options, allowing users to filter elements based on various criteria such as state of matter, category, and more. In addition to basic information, these apps typically offer educational resources such as quizzes and flashcards to enhance learning. Some may include periodic trends, historical contexts, and visual representations of electron configurations. The interface is usually user-friendly, making it accessible for students, educators, and anyone with an interest in chemistry. Features may also include elements discovery dates, uses in daily life, and safety data, providing a well-rounded understanding of the chemical world. Overall, these apps serve as valuable references for anyone looking to explore and understand the elements of the periodic table.